Here's a drop top to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1968 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. Real deal 442. 4467 style number, the data tag. Has had a repaint to carousel red, or orange as some people will call it. Does have black vinyl interior. 940 was the trim it would originally come with, which is 442 black vinyl interior. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Chrome headlight surrounds, grille. Looks good up front. Underneath the hood, 455 V8. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. 400, I believe it was actually the original transmission in it. As far as the engine, previous owner states it's a 455 with 365 horsepower. Casting number does clarify that it is a 455. It also has 69C casted heads with a 69 4-barrel intake and a new Edelbrock 4-barrel carb on that. Runs very nicely. We're going to start it up here at the end of the video. Let you hear it run. But first, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the interior, check the car out from every angle, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As we take a look down the passenger side, car had restoration work done in 2004 when it was actually stripped down to the bare metal, and that's when it was repainted. At the same time, they did the upholstery, recovered the seats, as well as foam and carpeting on the interior. So interior shows well. Top was replaced at that time also. Black vinyl top, power top, works as it should. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear bumper does show a little age. Be a good car for any local roll-ins, cruise-ins, summer car. Turn the key, get in and go, have some fun. Again, still pictures. Take a look at the underside. They also blasted the frame, cleaned it, painted that black when they did the paint on the exterior and the interior carpeting and upholstery. So take a look at the underside pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, just click on that link down below the video if you're seeing this on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. As we take a look at the driver's side, you can see the paint shows well. Is it perfect? No, but does it look nice in this car? Absolutely, especially that carousel red. As you can see, seat belts intact, upholstery in nice shape. We're also going to put the top up here at the end of the video so you can check out the condition of that. And you can see the carpeting also in nice shape. Door panels. There'll be a picture of the VIN and the data tag. You want to do any decoding, looking at it yourself, that'll be in there. Any of the casting or stamping will be in the still pictures as far as the engine and tranny also. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Nice running car. Every time I've started, it fires right up. Odometer reads 33,266. Cannot confirm or deny once the car is a certain age. The miles do not get recorded on the title anymore. It's just marked exempt. Dash looks good. Let me get it down in the low idle. You got to hear this. Good sounding car. Door, seat closes nicely, fits well. Listen to that, 455. A little rumble to it. Nothing too crazy or over the top. This one will definitely turn some heads with the way it sounds and the way it looks, of course. I'm going to pause this 1 second. We're going to check out the engine bay. I'll put that top up, and we'll wrap this video up. All right, let's get a peek underneath the hood. Here's that 455. And again, according to previous owner, 365 horse, those C heads on it. Power steering, power brakes, new Edelbrock carb. Some of the other recent service work that was done to this, new master cylinders you can see back there, as well as a coolant flush, gaskets for the tranny pan, oil pan, valve covers, all done. You can see that's a nice smooth running engine, sounds good. There's a battery disconnect here. And for the top, put that up when we got the hood open. Again, power top works as it should. This was replaced when the car is repainted, 2004. You can see black vinyl, a little bit of dust from when it was down, but as far as any rips, tears, holes, looks good all the way around. It's going to serve the purpose, keep you out of the sun or need to stay dry. Doesn't look like it's had much use at all. Did notice they're going to need a radio antenna, a little bit of TLC, not much. 1968 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. Real deal. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1968 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. This is an orange with a black interior. Looks very nice. This starts up and idles smoothly right away. It's an automatic on the center console, so it's very easy to drive. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Both our turn signal indicators are working. The fuel gauge, the needle is pointing over full. That does not work. Speedometer works. Those are the only gauges in this car. There are some lights for indicators otherwise. Acceleration is very good. It's a strong running car. You get some wind noise from the convertible. That's to be expected. It is cold outside. Handles good. Corners well. Once we get straight here, we'll see how straight she goes. Yeah, doesn't pull either direction. Not getting any shimmies or shakes. It's a very good running vehicle with a nice ride. We get through this roundabout, we'll accelerate one more time. Brakes work well. Accelerates very strong. It's a good running car. Check out this Olds 442 at uniqueclassiccars.com.